Quick mug couscous in 2 minutes. In a bowl, let's start by adding half a cup of corn flakes. Next, add half a cup of water. Let's give it a quick stir. And let it soak. After, we'll season with some salt and stir again. Done that, we'll set it aside and slightly brown some sausage in a pan. Here in a mug or cup, I'll add some margarine and grease it well. Next, just add the couscous mix. Once you add half, we'll start to stuff it. Add our sausage. Remember, you can use any filling you like. And next, I'll add the mozzarella. On top, just finish with the remaining couscous. After a quick arrange, we just need to microwave it. And folks, leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your microwave power. And now folks, we just need to unmold it onto a plate. And look how amazing it turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. And I hope you liked it. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug, see you next time and thanks.